All right, gang. So once price gets to take profit 6 all the way to take profit 8, take profit. You know, if price is heading all the way up to take profit 9 and take profit 10 now. You know, and I know you're trying to maximize profit, and you know, you're like, oh, I want to swing trade this. I want to swing trade this from take profit 6 all the way up to take profit 8. Okay, you can do that. You know, I want you to maximize profit. You know, I know you're trying to maximize profit, and you know, oh, I want to swing trade this. I want to maximize profit. But you know, this is still a good risk to reward ratio. You know, as I want to show you, this is still a good risk to reward ratio from take profit 6 all the way up to take profit 8. You know, this is still a good risk to reward ratio. As this is what 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3. You know, risk reward ratio 1 to 3. You know, this is take profit 8 area. You know, this is 1 to 3, 1 to 4. You know, risk reward ratio. This is still good risk reward ratios. Like, come on, you know, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward ratios are still good. Risk reward ratios are still good. Take profit levels from take profit 6 to take profit 8. This is 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, you know, 1 to 2s, you know, take profit, as you know, as that's still a lot of profit, and you know, you could have took profit from 1845 all the way up to 1870. That's still good profit. You know, that still could have been 2 to 4 to 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, 100 grand, and this happened in one day, from February 15th to February 16th. You know, this is happening in one day, gang. You could make to 30 grand to 50 grand, 100 grand in one day. I do it all the time. But you have to have a trading plan. You have to have a trading strategy, you know, as you can make millions in Forex. This is one of the things where you can make millions in this market. You can make millions in this market. It's all about your psychology, though. We have to use trend lines, you know, we gotta have Fibonacci, you know, risk reward ratio. We have to put everything together, gang. And you know, price can do anything in this market, you know. Price can do anything in this market. You know, I've been trading this market for 3 years, so price can do anything. You sell from you draw your Fibonacci from swing low to the swing high. You know, take profit 8, 27 extension. Boom, it matches right up with our risk to reward 1 to 3 reward ratio. You know, 27 extension. You know, and we're in profit the whole time. Price is at what? 0 right now, pushing a 0, and then what? 27 extension. You know, next take profit levels, take profit 9, and then take profit 10. You know, 1 to 3. This is a 1 to 3 from right to 27 extension. This is 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. You know, and you can make this every day. You can make 50 to 100 grand a day. You know, as you depending on your lot size and how your account is set up, how much money you have in your account, you know, you can make this, you know, but your psychology has to be right. This is all about your psychology. As we have Fibonacci, we'll use our trend lines. You know, we'll use everything that we can, moving average, RSI, to help us make millions in this market game. You know, price is going to 27 extension. You know, prices should be heading up to 27 extension. You know, going into later Asian session, maybe London session. You know, we should see price go to 27 extension, and then following New York session, you know, we should see price go to take profit 9. You know, eventually probably take profit 10, and this risk to reward ratio is now 1 to 5. You know, as I know you're trying to swing trade, and I know you want maximize profit. You know, and this is still maximize profit from Great Trade 1, Great Trade 2, Great Trade 3, and Great Trade 4 to 27 extension 1 to 3. You know, this is still maximize profit. You know, this is 1 to 3. You know, now this is 1 to 5. As price got all the way to take profit 10. This is 1 to 5, and I know you're trying to swing trade this. You know, this is probably the swing trade that you can swing trade to take profit 10, and then your risk reward ratio is 1 to 5. You know, so I hope this helps, gang. As your psychology is, it has to all Forex is all about your psychology. This has to do with your psychology. That's it. That's all Forex is about. It's all about your psychology. So this is to help you make millions in this market game. Before we can even enter a trade, we have to analyze the market. We have to determine, okay, which direction the price is going in. Price is making structure, higher lows and higher highs. It made a higher low to take profit 6. It made a higher high back to take profit 8. You have to put everything together, gang. We have to find a plan, and we have to stick to our trading strategy. Our trading strategy works. The trading strategy works, gang. Get in at Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2 and Great Trade 3, and what? You could have rode us all the way up to take profit 8 and took profit. I want you to maximize profit. You could take profit Every time price gets from take profit 8 to take profit 6 and back to take profit 6 to take profit 8, take profit. You know, like 27 extension, once price goes to, we use everything. When price goes past 0.618, it'll go to 0.5, it'll go to 0.382, all the way to 0, and then 27 extension. You know, it'll go right to 27 extension, right to our Fibonacci level, right to our 27 extension. This is a 1 to 3, you know, from take profit 6 to take profit 8. This is a 1 to 3 right to our 27 extension. This is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. This is a 1 to 5. This is a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio from take profit 6 to take profit 10. As I know you're trying to maximize profit and, you know, take this trade to take profit 10. But this is a swing trade that's probably going to take profit 10, you know, and I'll let you know that, again, as you know, I believe price is going up to take profit 10, you know, but sticking to our trading strategy works. We have to have a trading strategy. We have to have a setup. We have to find a setup first, you know, as we're risking our money in Forex. You know, the same way you can make 20, 30 grand, 100 grand, you can lose 50, 100 grand, 2 grand in one day, in one trade. Trust me, I know. You know, you can lose money also. You can lose this, you know, depending on how much you're risking. As you know, you're risking your money in this market. You're risking your money in this market. That's why we have Fibonacci. Okay, once price goes past 0.618, it'll go to 0.5, 0.382, 0, and then 27 extension. You know, we have our take profit levels. Once price gets to our take profit levels, we take profit. You know, these are our psychological levels too, but these are our take profit levels as well. You know, to let us know once price gets to our take profit levels, we take profit. You have to have a trading strategy before you enter this market, or you will lose your money. You know, you'll lose millions, and I don't want you to gain millions. So, you know, you enter at the bottom. The trading strategy works. You enter at the bottom at great trade 1, great trade 2, great trade 3, great trade 4. You could have rolled this all the way up to 27 extension. That price is going to 27 extension. And, you know, this is probably the trade, the swing trade, the take profit 9, take profit trend, take profit 10, risk reward ratio 1 to 5, you know. So extremely important to understand, gang. Wait for price to make a higher low, and then you could have gotten that great trade 1, great trade 2, great trade 3, great trade 4. As price made another higher low from take profit 7 back to take profit 6 at 1850, 1853, and rolled this all the way up to take profit 8, 1870. As price is going to 27 extension. Next level is what? Take profit 9, take profit 10. You know, so sometimes it's okay. This is still good risk to reward ratios. It's okay to take profit. You know, I know you're trying to maximize profit, but this is how you maximize profit, gang. You have to put it all together, you know. So this is our risk to reward ratio, 1 to 5. As price goes to take profit 10, I'll let you know price should go to take profit 10. As we swing trade this from great trade 1, great trade 2, to great trade 3, and great trade 4, all the way to take profit 10. And I'll let you know, and we could ride this all the way up to take profit 10 and maximize profit, you know, gang. You know, as I want you to maximize profit, gang. But you buy when it's low and you sell it all the way to the high when we're in an uptrend. Like, you know, when we're in an uptrend game, you sell this from the low, you buy when it's low, and you sell this all the way to the high. You know, I mean, and you buy this all the way to the high. You buy when it's low when we're in an uptrend. You know, once price makes a higher low, when you buy when it's low, once price gets back to take profit 6, and we ride this all the way up, you know, to take profit 8, take profit 10. You know, and we maximize profit. This is how we maximize profit, gang. You know, so extremely important. We had to go over this one more time for our psychology, and this, this is how we maximize profit, gang. So wait for price to get all the way down to the low, and then you could have rolled this all the way to the high. You know, once price gets to the high, you can sell this back down to the low, and take profit, So I hope these videos help, gang. In our next video, we're going to go over, more strategies on help, for our psychology to help us make money and make millions in this market. And you can make 20, 30, 50 grand a day. This happened from February 15th to February 16th. I do it all the time, gang. You know how much money you have in your how much money you have in your account. Where you enter the market, and your psychology is the key to trading, Forex, and waiting for the right setup. So, so we can make money in this market. You can't just get in once you see yellow and black candlesticks. You have to wait for price to make a higher low, and then you could get in once it shows us a bullish engulfing pattern, breaks our trend line, bullish engulfing pattern, Fibonacci to 27 extension, risk reward ratio 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So I hope these videos help, gang. Price should go to take profit 9 and take profit 10. And I'll keep you updated, gang. All right, gang.